Hello there, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Where's sa taas? Iba yung setup natin for today. Right, because I promised you before, right, that this would be a separate video naman, even though at the moment we're currently in Montenegro, right, as I've informed you before, that would be a separate vlog from it, right, para at least iba yung content nun sa content for today, because ano na tayo ngayon, wait lang, for sure tayo, yeah, we're exactly on the 14th of July, right? Today it's exactly Sunday, right? And that means 2 months na tayo with our hair and eyebrow transplant, right? So what a better way naman talaga ba to celebrate our second monthsary sa outside of the country. Hindi, nagkataon lang na andito tayo ngayon, and I promised you, di ba, para consistent tayo and all, right, that dinala ko talaga yung uniform natin dito, right, sa ating anyway, parang pa-beach vibe din naman siya, so dinala ko siya para at least makita nyo din yung difference, no, right, yeah, we just opted to do this one then, right, parang may damit-damit pa ata sa side road. Kasi dito ako sa balcony ng hotel, right? Wait lang, ibalik lang natin sa likod just for you to have an understanding, no? Kung ano yung itsura niya and all, right? And then on the left side, that's the beach na, right? Have a look at it, right? Look at that sun, look at that sky, that clear blue sky. Sabi ko yung doon naman pala yung sun. But anyway, so yeah, going back, yes, we're on our 2 months na, and galing, no? Ang galing lang kasi sobrang bilis na naman, as I've said before, and na parang we've gotten used to it na sa pagiging, me personally, sa pagiging kalbo ko, like in, buzz cut and all that. Sorry naman sa mga sounds because this is just, this is the raw, version of this video, right? Nandito lang tayo sa labas and all. Kasi I opted to do it inside kanina, kaso naglalaro pa si Pabi ng ML. So ayaw natin siyang storbohin din at the same time. Mamaya tayo, pagalitan tayo ng YouTube kasi baka may pagmura. Alam mo yun, parang aggressive minsan yung laro nila, so para ma-lesson. Anyway, right, going back to our main topic for today, right? Ito na yung ating update with our hair transplant and eyebrow as well, okay? So bigyan ko lang kayo ng the good thing about it is that meron na tayong again katulong, right, with our videos and all that. Tignan niyo siya, sunudan siya sa atin. Sunudan siya parang ikaw. Right? And what else pa? Then siya. Natin siya. Love! Siya, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo siya, pero open mo siya saglit, mag-hi ka. Alright, para ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan ko, Pops. Ano pa siya? Pasara na po. Thank you. Ayun, meron tayong sa kanya. Anyway, so let's go back to ang dami nating commercial, no? So, ito na yun. Tingnan natin siya. Right? Ito na naman yung pamukha natin. Right? Ito yung front. Right? Ito yung sa side. Sa left side. If you've noticed, no, parang obviously, I think, nag-start na talaga siyang mag-grow, yung paliit-liit and all that. Pero, magmula nung nagpunta tayo dito, syempre sobrang init dito sa Montenegro and all that. And ayoko din namang ma-spoil yung time ko dito, pati ng mga kasama ko na parang pa-importante ako sa ayaw ko sa araw and all that. So ayun, nag-ano na lang tayo, nag-bucket hat, and pero sobrang init pa din. So hopefully it will not do anything drastic naman, like in a negative way para sa buhok natin. Pero parang inaano naman natin siya. What I do though is that after ko sa labas is that inaano ko siya, parang binabanlawan, parang pinapaliguan ulit and all that. Still being cautious as always pag inaano natin siya, pag ini-scrub and all that, right? So yan yun, bigyan natin ito yung glue sa side. This is the side and the back portion, and on the side as well. So okay na siya. Actually, talagang ano na lang tayo. Talagang hiningal. Talagang nag-aantay na lang talaga tayo ng it's only a matter of time. Sabi nga ni David Cook sa kanya, always be my babe. I don't know. Parang ganyan natin lyrics nun. Anyway. So, yeah, yun lang yun, right? Also, naisip ko, since andito na din tayo, answer ko na din yung dapat na questions nyo before pa tong video na to. Like, what else pa? Like, for us to discuss, right? Kung saan siya nagawa and everything, right? So, better din to para isahin na lang natin siya dito sa video na to, right? And, so, bigyan natin ng drum roll. Mabilis ng drum roll. Dito tayo sa tropical island. So, dapat pala siya. Right? So, yeah, right? Mabilis lang naman. I think siguro mga 3 or 4 lang na facts yung sabihin natin with regards our hair transplant, right? Obviously, alam nyo naman kung saan siya nagawa, right? Nagkaroon ako ng conversation with my agent, right? Since last year. It started last year actually, tapos pinlano namin siya and all that. It was, they're based actually in Turkey, Istanbul to be specific. And ang name ng tawag dito, because it's a big company, like big hospital / corporation, something, right, na nagki-cater ng mainly sa hair transplant. They also cater about dental services. They also cater aesthetics, obviously, right? So, they're called Estee Grande Medical Group, no? Yun. And lagay ko na lang siya dito. And also sa link na lang siguro maybe after this video sa baba para makita nyo if you're interested. Because I've got some of my friends actually nag-email din sila. Nag-email. Formal. Nung nag-DM din sila. Like personal message. And then they've been asking about some details with regards to our transplant, no? Na nakakatuwa naman kahit paano. Diba? Hindi naman pala napunta lang sa wala. Yung pag-inarte natin, di ba? Para may kahit pa paano meron din tayong na-enlighten na ibang tao with the things that we've done, the things that I've done, right? Sa bubuk ko. Sa buhay. Right? So yeah, it's done in Estee Grande. Again, that's in Istanbul, Turkey. To be specific, so obviously, bumaba kami sa where was it? Sabiha Gökçen Airport. Right, yun kasi yung prefer nila. When I talk to my agent, Robert, hello, if you're watching, right, so, yeah, parang prefer nila yun kasi from there, from the airport itself, nakita nyo naman sa first video natin, may sumalubong sa atin and all that, Mercedes and everything, and then it was only like less than an hour away papunta sa hotel natin, right, and yeah, walang kuskus balungos nun, right, so at least hindi siya ganun ka hassle ba in terms of like pagod and everything, right? So that's the first one, right? And then the other thing is that nagawa siya, parang may mga branches din kasi sila sa Istanbul, right? It's not the same as yung sana na lang video sa akin na malaking hospital talaga siya, like a grand one, right? But then, I still cannot complain kasi ang maganda pa din siya, and then it really looks private, malinis, professional yung mga tao and everything, right? And nakita nyo naman, may pa-view pa tayo when we did the operation, yung nag-draw na sila ng hairline natin and eyebrow, right? So, it's all good, right? That's still in Estee Grande, no? And then, the other thing, siguro second fact na lang na maano natin, yun si Papis na. Sasayo-sayo siya lagi. So, second fact naman na natin is that how much, right? How much was it? So, yun din yung tanong. So, malamang ma-question na naman tayo na na to. Ma-question na naman ako ng mga hurado kung magkano siya. But anyway, siguro magbigay na lang tayo ng what else? Ng quotation, maybe say almost 3 grand, right? Almost 3,000 pounds yung nagastos natin. Kasama na lahat doon, right? Kasama na lahat ng mga hassle and everything, right? But when I say kasama na lahat doon, sinagot na ng Estee Grande, obviously, yung pagdating lang natin doon, yung hotel, right? Kasama na din yung food and all that, right? Pero, yung plane ticket natin, that's on my own pocket. That's on our own pocket, no? Anyway, ang maganda lang sa kanila is that when I told them that I will be going together with my partner kasi hindi ko kaya na ako lang mag-isa yung magpunta doon, And uh, I'm just really fortunate na pinagbigyan nila ako, na isama ko siya. Magstay kami sa hotel, of course, na wala ng additional fee. Alam ko nag-additional na lang kami for one night noon, right? But that was only like around 60, 70 euros. Kasi euros yung prefer nilang currency at that time eh. Pero yeah, yun lang. So let's say, isara na lang natin doon, mga almost 3 grand for you to ano na lang. And consider the fact na ang ganda ng deal nang nakuha ko sa kanila. Why? It's because aside sa hair transplant, di ba pinagalaw din natin yung ano, pakita ko din pala sa inyo yung ano, pakita ko din pala sa inyo yung eyebrow. Look at it. Right? Di ba? So cute talaga. So, I can't wait na humaba na siya. Right? Sabi nga ni Pabi, parang tinatakot niya ako, oh, ready ka na niyan, parang i-maintain mo siya for like every time, ganun, siguro once a week or twice a week, ganun. Tapos, ang sabi ko noon, better na yun, at least may inaayos kaysa sa wala. Alam mo yun. I'm not saying na wala talaga akong kilay before, pero ma-invest kasi ba talaga siya. So, I can't wait para maging bushier ba siya. Alam mo yung parang kung nanood kayo ng Elite and all that, right? Parang mga Spanish thingy. Si Manu. Right? So yeah, that's the second fact. And then, third one, paano ba? Preparation. Ano naman yung preparation? Actually, mali naman yung preparation na ginawa ko kasi all I ever focus on before the operation is that, ay, ano magiging itsura ko pag kinalbo ako, you know, that, ganun nga, no? Yun yung mga pinapanood ko sa TikTok. And then, I really didn't expect it would be really that, puro really, no? It would be that, sakit. You know, sobrang sakit pa talaga ng operation ba, ng procedure. Right? Again, kung maalala nyo, drawing muna siya ng kilay and then pinasok na ako sa room kung saan gagawin yung operation agad ng bawal na kasi mag-take ng video doon eh. Pero kinalbo na ako doon and then agad-agad, pinaano na nila ako, pinadapa. At some point, para kunin na dito yung sa back area, para kumuha na sila ng, ang tawag dito, yung donor area nga, no? Para kunin na yung mga strand, yung mga follicles and all that. Ang mahirap kasi doon, parang all in all pala, right, this is another fact, all in all, I think it was almost like 7 hours sa buong procedure. Yes, you heard it right, almost 7 hours. 7 grueling hours talaga yung pain and everything. So first hour, let's say, so tusok-tusok na. Tapos ang sabi pa nila sa akin, ang sabi pa ng mga nag-assist sa akin is that, okay lang yan, ito lang naman yung masakit, ganito, ganun, pero after okay na. So ako naman, si Aanga, inisip ko, okay, at least ito na. Pero masakit talaga siya. Like, imagine mo yung tinusok ka na ng karayon, pero since it's local, papasok pa, papalubuhin pa yung anesthesia, di ba? So, sakit siya. And then for almost hour, nagmanhid na, and then everything na. So, what I was thinking, after ko mag-toilet, wait lang, kung local lang siya, paano magre-radiate sa kilay ko? Paano magre-radiate dito sa harap, no? So, tininin, no? Iba na namang tusok yung gagawin nila. And tama talaga ako, no? Pagbalik ko, okay, sabi nila ready na after ng lunch and everything. Siguro ito na yung second phase, let's say. Nag-start na sila sa kilay. Isang kilay talaga, guys. Doon talaga yung pinaka gusto ko na lang mag-smile. As in, umiiyak talaga ako, sumisigaw talaga ako. Kasi imagine, ang nipis lang ng natin dito, ang nipis ng balat natin dito, and then tutusukin, papalubuhin, no? And then, ang cute lang kasi ang ginagawa pala nila, oh, do you feel anything? Do you feel anything? Needle pala yung pinampiprick nila doon. Paano ko nalaman? Kasi experience ko myself, diba? Experience is the best teacher talaga. So, nung tinusok na ganun, wala. Pero, meron, boom! Yun talaga, paano tinusok ka lang talaga na casual lang, diba? Gusto lang tusukin ng karayo. Okay, pag sinabi mong masakit pa, of course, papalubuhin na naman nila na masakit na naman, no? So, tapos na yung kilay, and then after, dito na naman. So, kung ma-imagine nyo, yung dito na naman, ma-impis na naman siya, ang sakit na naman, papalubuhin. Right? So, non-stop talaga siya na pain, right? And, so, I think last part na, yun na yung, obviously, yun na yung, after na ma-open yung channel, yung bubutasan na yung then tatanim na nila yung mga grafts na sineparate nila in the first phase, no? And, ito na naman yung funny thing, right? Siguro karma ko na din kasi mas may ugali ko. In the middle of the procedure, right? Alam mo yung parang ino-opera ng buhay, bigla akong naramdaman talaga lahat. Nung una kasi, parang manhid na siya, ang na-feel mo na lang yung crunch. Alam mo yun? Yung parang ganong feeling and all that. Pero hindi na siya painful. Actually, there was a point in there, maybe for a couple of minutes that I fell asleep. No? Pero, nung nagising naman na ako, dire-diretso na yun. Alam mo, tinitiis ko at first, nararamdaman ko talaga siya. Alam mo yung every bit na feel mo talaga. Tapos di ko na talaga matiis. Pinofera nila ako initially. Gusto mo muna mag-CR, umihi. No. Gusto ko pain relief. Ganito, ganun. Eh, since may line na din naman ako, may cannula, may swero, no? So, doon na nila pinadaan. Alam ko, nagdagdag na sila ng, not sure if it's pampakalma or pampamanhid. Ayoko na lang maramdaman yung pain at the time. Pero, ayun nga, right? Natapos na everything. Yun. Ganun lang yung preparation. Buti na lang talaga andun si Pabi. Again, right? Kasi kung wala siya, I don't know, ang hirap. Kasi pagkatapos ng operation, okay na, hindi mo masyadong mararamdaman pa yung sakit. Pero manhid nga yung ulo mo. So, ang tendency is, mamaya mabump mo without you even knowing, without you even noticing. No? So, yun lang. And then, ano pa ba? Ang hardest part lang, dagdagan natin yung facts. Pang-apat na ba ito or pang-lima? Pang-lima na lang, mag-prepare din kayo if you're ever thinking of like doing it na yung recovery period talaga. Because for me though, yung first 2 weeks ko, that's really, I parang tinake ko talaga siya seriously. I didn't even go sa bedroom namin para mag-sleep. Talagang doon lang ako sa couch. And then, pag nag-sleep ako, it might sound funny, no? Gusto kong isama sa videos before, pero baka pangit, no? Yung kalabasan. Pero there was like, first week siguro, or siguro, first like 8-10 days, nilalagyan ko ng belt yung kamay ko pag natutulog. Kasi alam ko yung sarili ko, kilala ko yung sarili ko. Every time I sleep, sometimes I don't even notice, hindi ko napapansin na nakakamot ko yung and everything. So, ayoko mangyari yun kasi imagine, ito yung pera, ayun yung pera, tapos bigla mo lang ganun, tinapon, di ba? So, ayun talaga, there was this one point, galing si Pabi sa gym, and then, tinake pala niya ako ng video, nakatulog ako doon, nakaganon ako sa couch. Alam mo, parang akong bound na, na hostage or what. So, yeah, I just really took it seriously. Sabi nila, ang first 2-3 days, that's like the crucial part, no? Pero ako, since bilang OA tayo, talagang tinake ko siya like 2 weeks talaga. Nag-inarte tayo. Tiniis ko yun na bumalik muna sa bedroom for a proper sleep and all that. Imagine mo, every day, lalo na yung mga unang, siguro first 3-5 days, masaya na talaga ako sa 1 hour sleep. Right? Kasi makasleep ka man, okay, pero sakit naman sa balikat kasi kailangan mo ng neck pillow and everything kasi mahapik pa ba yung sa likod doon sa donor area. At the same time, ayaw mo naman maggalaw-galaw kasi baka magulo pa siya. Alam mo yun? And then, ayun lang, I'm just so happy, di ba, na we're done. We're done with that na. And, yun na, it's just really a waiting game for us. And, I can't wait na ipakita sa inyo yung result and everything. And sorry din kung medyo magulo din yung linyahan ng mga videos. Like for example, I've posted videos namin sa Northern Ireland na before and then sa Turkey. It's because what I thought at the time is hindi pa ako makakalabas. Like hindi ko pa siya masasabay sa normal ko ba na nagawain and all that. Pero yun nga, nangyari na, nakapag na tayo. Ang dami na nating napunta, nakapag-festival na kami. Nakapasyal na kami dito, nakapasyal na doon. And yeah, better na lang. Salubong na lang yung mga videos natin. And just give me some time para ma-post ko sila and all that. So, ayun lang. I'm just so happy that andito na tayo sa 2 months na. And saya lang. No? Thank you for being with me. Hindi pa tayo ganun karami, pero yung support lang ba for me as a beginner, it's really overwhelming. Overwhelming in a good way, di ba? Na tipong, I really feel it, your support and everything. So, sana watch pa kayo in the future. Huwag kayong magsawa kasi madami pa yan. Lalo na nag-invest na tayo ng laruan natin, di ba? So, tingnan nyo naman, kahit ganun-ganun ka, ay, vertigo. Oh, also, if you've noticed, nung pinakita ko sa inyo, kasi winash ko muna siya. That's why, no? So, winash ko muna siya para at least kasi makatid din siya, lalo na dry dito, no? You know that. So, ayun lang muna so far, yung mga important. Oh, and then siguro pang finale na lang, maybe you were thinking, kasi if you would notice before, okay naman kasi talaga yung buhok ko, especially curly naman yung hair ko, hindi mo manonotice yung hairline ko na, ay, okay, kasi most of yung mga friends namin, kasama ko sa work, even sa Pinas, no, na parang, bakit mo pinagawa yan, ganito, ganun, parang bored ka ba? Ganun yung una nilang tanong, and all that. But for me kasi, not really my biggest insecurity, pero, sige na nga, sige. Sige, para mas dramatic. Sige, biggest insecurity ko kasi talaga yung ano ko, not even the hairline, yung kilay ba talaga, no? So, nung nakita ko, parang hairline yung start ng concern na may transplant, and then go na, 'di ba? Pero in the middle of it, mas na excite ba ako sa kilay ba talaga, kasi yun yung insecure ako, like growing up, mga friends ko and everything, gaganda ng kilay and all that, tapos ako kailangan ko pong peke. And that's why if you've noticed, kapag nagpipicture ako, ang haba na pala na to, no? Hindi lupansan, daldal ko talaga. But if you notice, pag nagpipicture kami, parang nakasimangot na nakagano, parang kinukunot ko yun, kasi that's just the only time na nagpo-form siya kahit papano, no? So kaya ayun. So yun, reason why did I do it? It's because I took it as like an opportunity na din for me, and opportunity to be better, to look better, right? Because I know it's not important naman on how you parang kung ano itsura mo and all that, kasi okay ka naman, all of us people, we're all beautiful people in our own ways, no? Pero syempre bilang maarte lang tayo, for me, since napunta na tayo sa age pa na, alam mo yun, parang as tamang edad na din ako, and then at the same time, kahit paano, okay yung career natin, may resources tayo, and what a better way ba talaga for me to do it at this point, right? Sabi ko nga sa previous video, nung 20 years old ako, within that range, wala naman akong pera pa, no? Kung magiging 40 na ako in 50, kung kahit ganun pa ka-stable and all that, pero parang wala na din naman akong gana nun, right? I'm currently on my prime, that's why I'm really taking the most of it, right? What is that? No, talagang sinusulit ba natin? Kasi ito yun, for example, gala kami ng gala and all that. So gusto ko din i-present na maayos yung sarili ko. And wala lang, it just feels good to feel good. To look good. Ewan ko ba? Basta, kasi marketing tayo, parang Instagrammable and all that, right? Parang, yun lang yung reason ko ba talaga na hindi, not just because I'm bored, okay? Kasi yun talaga, insecure ako doon. And yeah, some people might find it a bit vain and all that, but call me vain if you want to, but this is me, no? I mean, ito yung choice ko and all that. Ito yung inutang ko. Reklamo na naman. No, hindi po natin inutang and all that. So, we're just fortunate lang nagkaroon tayo ng resources to do so, and yeah, thank God, right? And for everything, right? Yung mga nag-support sa atin all throughout. And yeah, yun lang. Mamaya saan lang tayo mapunta sa drama. Yeah, cut na natin dito kasi may schedule pa tayo hahabulin. And yeah, hope you enjoy, guys. And please, sabi nga ni Sabrina Carpenter, na like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Okay, it's Patik Batik dito. Saan nyo ba gusto? Diba? Ganda ng view. Right, please. And then click nyo na din yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na videos, kasi magkaroon lang ako ng 1-2 araw na off, ayusin talaga yung mga videos to edit it para makita nyo na kahit hindi nyo panoorin, basta po-post ko, wala nyo pa magagawa. Just panoorin na lang pag bored kayo, give me some time, no? And yun lang, right? Hope you like it. Sana naging interesting and informative din yung tong video na to at some point. And what I'm hoping is that sana okay yung video, no? Right? And yeah, see ya, right? See you na lang sa regular programming natin. But yeah, happy 2 months to us.